The storm had screamed for 2 days, and when it finally stopped, the world it left.
For Henry Fowler, a man who had lived 70 winters on this coast, the silence after a storm was a call, a routine check of his trapline, until it wasn't. A shadow against the pristine white where no shadow should be.
It was a form of power, laid low. America's symbol, the bald eagle.
An eagle, even a dying one, is a weapon. But Henry saw past the talons and beak.
His movements were born of a lifetime in these woods. Gentle, deliberate. The next challenge was a 2-mile trek through snow deeper than his knees. The eagle was a solid weight.
The professionals from the Raptor Center took over. As the carrier door closed, Henry felt an unexpected pang.
Flight conditioning. Each flap was a reconquering of his birthright. Each landing, a statement, I am ready.
The call came on a morning smelling of thaw. He's ready.
For a long moment, he was still.
He stood there, every bit the symbol he was meant to be. And in that moment, his gaze swept over Henry.
And then, with a push, it seemed to shake.
The first wing beats were strong, testing. Each one a defiance of the blizzard that had once grounded him.
Henry watched until his eyes watered. The silence that followed the eagle's cry was profound.